Hi team, this is Chris Abraham from GOHacademy, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to register for a GOHacademy workshop. First, you go to GOHacademy.com, and on this page, you're going to press on that button at the upper right-hand corner. Press on Register. It's going to bring you to the registration page where you can see all the classes that are coming up and any early registration credits. You want to look to see which class matches up with your test. For example, let's say you wanted to register for the General Curriculum 278 November 8th through 10th workshop. You're going to go here, select this by double tapping on it. It's going to bring you to a description of the class. When you're ready to register, you want to make sure you put the name of the teacher that's attending. Once I type that in, I'm going to add to cart. You'll see a quick description of the class here. Make sure you select one seat if you're only registering one teacher or just one seat for yourself. And then we want to press View Cart, and when this is all correct, Checkout. The final step is putting in your payment information and pressing Continue. All right, team, I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, give us a call at 617-669-4481 or shoot GOHacademy an email at info@gohacademy.com. That's GOHacademy.com. We'll be able to help you get started and get registered for the classes. Everyone, I'll see you soon. Have a great day. Take care, team. Bye-bye.